packaging, and it's really very easy. I have to put in the slow cooker, and I have to put it high in 4 hours. The rice is ready. So let's get started. Okay guys, and now I'm gonna start my slow cooker. And I make a mistake, and this is actually pork roast. It's not beef. Ready to slow cooker, like pan fry make it brown the meat, and put in the pressure cooker, and it's still ready. And this is look like, oh my god, I thought it's beef. The brand is Tyson, and well, I just picked it up in Walmart, but I tell you guys, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just randomly bought this for my daily cooking. Okay, so this brand, I don't know, I will have to try it. Well, it's really good because it comes together, and it's not that expensive, you know. But my mistake is not meat, it's actually pork. Alright, let's get started. Guys, as you can see, it's no good. Well, I don't know how to follow instruction or seasoning. Well, where's the instruction? I'm the kind of person that I don't know how to follow instruction. Okay, dinner for the family. Just see, look at guys. Star potato. Guys, it started to be brown really fast. When I cook, I will always, when I do the slow cooker, I usually brown the meat so that it will, you know, it's not so like, I don't like the smell. It will neutralize the smell. So before I put in I stew it. Okay. This is supposed to look like when it's finished. Let's see. Yeah, this is the first time. The ingredients is already washed. Well, in the picture, you don't have to cut the potato, but I cut it. That means I can eat it because it's pork. Honestly, guys, I don't eat beef. I don't know. I wanted to buy for my husband, but unfortunately, I did not read. It's pork. Well, I thought, well, the texture look like pork. Look like beef, but it's actually pork. Oh my God, Dylan, wake up. You know, when you do stew, you have to cut the onions bigger. Like this. This is how I do it. Actually, I'm not a professional. I just randomly. Well, it's not that I like cooking. I don't hate cooking. I don't like cooking, but I have to cook for both of us because I don't like to eat out all the time. Sometimes, but you know, it's expensive to eat out, and it's also unhealthy. So, I mean, believe me, guys, I work in fast food for 8 years, and I don't like to eat fast food all the time. Every time I remember before, I used to work in Subway, I always bring my own food because I don't know. I just remind this. Also, my husband is. I really prevent him from eating out. I mean, fast food. He likes pizza. He likes, you know, French fries and easy things. But you know, I have to cook healthier for him. So. There's no instruction at all. There's instruction in the back. Yeah, there's instruction in the back. Here it is. You know guys, I'm a bad reader and I'm a bad of instruction. I won't look, I just put everything there. Luckily I found it in the back. Let's put it and dissolve into water. Let's see, I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Honestly, because I'm a Filipino, I'm a bad reader. I observe that. You know, guys. There you go. And I'm gonna go back to the instruction and read it again. Okay, what is it? Again, number 1. Remove the straw and number 2. Combine the packet with common water and pour into slow cookers. Yay! While I'm waiting for my crockpot, I went to the Asian store and I now grocery to haul. Yes. Okay. I have this biscuit, crackers. Well, I remember this when I was in Singapore. We always did this. So hot. I found it there in the Asian store. Oh my god. I love these crackers. Every single day. And I have the shrimp crackers, spicy, and made in Korea. And I have a peanut, and I have my banana made in Philippines, Saba. Oh, made in Philippines, banana. Then I bought 4 of those. Also this coconut jug for my fruit salad again. I show you the video that last week, and I have the atap syrup. I don't know what to call it yeah, they call this atap syrup, but we call this guys, I'm gonna cook again. I'm gonna bake again a sweet potato casserole. And then I have a pork belly to make adobo. Yay! And it's been about $51. And then I have my boneless milk fish so bangos, Sarangani Bay. See that? Made in Philippines ni pare, product of the Philippines. See, Mark like to eat this because it's boneless. I just fried it. It's really nice. So, there's that. And I have another this kind of fish, and I'm gonna make a paksiw later. I don't know what kind of fish is this. At the end, me to buy this. I don't know the name of it. What's important thing, guys, is that my favorite this Philippine ice cream obe. It's kind of expensive, but oh my god, I can't stop eating this by myself. See, Cagayawan, Davao, Iloilo, and Norvegia. This Philippine collection obe. And that's my Asian haul for today. And now I'm gonna continue preparing for the party. Later, I will show you everything that I've cooked. And see you later. We have the moscato, potato,